everybody, welcome to my channel, that is English with Falaisha. I hope you are safe at home following the COVID-19 rules. Although you are facing a lot of problem to complete your course without teacher. So I am trying my best to teach you 9th chapter of 10th class course, that is Learn and Practice English Grammar. Okay, if you have not watched my first part 1 video, please subscribe my channel now and you can enjoy later. If you have any doubt, please comment. I make you sure to clear your doubt. Let us start. Sonu killed a snake. Sonu is the subject, kill is the verb, a snake is the object. You know that when you change into passive, object will be subject. Okay, look at here. Object, a snake. It is past simple, so it was killed by Sonu. Subject here is the object. Snake was killed by Sonu. It is SVO pattern. Okay? Look at the another example. My uncle gave me a mobile. Here, my uncle is the subject. Verb. Here is the object. Another object here. It is double object here. It is SVOO pattern. Look at here first. Number 1. Here is me is the object. The subject is I. It is past simple. I was given a mobile. Okay, another object is direct object is mobile. A mobile was given to me. Here to me. Doubt? If you say that my uncle gave a mobile to me, so that this sentence may be a mobile was given to me. These two object here, direct object and then another is indirect object. Okay, this pattern is indirect object, this pattern is direct object. Another example, Mr. Palai teaches us English. Mr. Palai is subject, teaches is the verb, us is the object, another English is the object. Two objects here. First you do the object. We take here. Us is the object form, but subject form is we. We are taught English because it is present simple. We are taught English. Then English is the another object. Look at here. English is taught to us, like that. It is SVOO pattern. Okay, look at this example. It is SVOC pattern. Subject, verb, object, complement. We elected Narendra Modi Prime Minister. We is here subject, elected is verb, Narendra Modi is the object, Prime Minister is the complement. Okay. Now object will be subject in passive. Narendra Modi was elected because it is simple past. Was elected Prime Minister. Okay. Look at the another example. People say that Kohli is the captain of India. Okay, look at 3 examples here. In passive, if you say that it is subject, it is verb. All these are object. Okay, object will be subject. That Kohli is the captain of India. Say present simple, it is said, it is was. Another example. If you say that people say that Kohli, if you take it it is said that Kohli is the captain of India. Okay. Another example. The main object is here Kohli. If you say that Kohli first, Kohli is said. Here it is said. You say that Kohli is said. But here is here. The verb is in present simple. You say that Kohli is said to plus verb. That means it is be verb. You have to write down here be. Kohli is said to be the captain of India. It is important. Mostly, both sentences, number 2 sentence and number 3 sentence are mostly acceptable. It is rarely used, the first sentence. Okay. Another example. People say that Dhoni was the captain of India. But here, Kohli is the captain of India. What is the changes here? Look at here. The first one is that was the captain of India. Is said. Is said. Another, it is said that Dhoni was the captain of India. Here is the passive structure. But Dhoni, here, Dhoni is the main object. If you say the beginning of the Dhoni, Dhoni is said, but here is was. Mind it, remember it. Was 2 plus have been. Dhoni is said to have been the captain of India. Here is the present form, you write down to be. But here is the was past form, you have to write down have been. Okay, another example for your better understanding. You look at here. People say that elephants have good memories. You may say that elephants have good memories. It is said. Okay. Another example. It is said that in passive, it is said that elephants have good memories. Okay. Because you know that elephants are main object. You say that elephants are said. Because elephants are plural number, you say that are said. Okay. Then 2 plus main verb. 2 here, main verb is have, to have good memories. Again I will say, elephants are said to have good memories. Okay, clear? Another example for your better understanding, look at the example. The hunter killed the elephant. Here is the elephant is the object. The elephant was killed. It is passive form. By phrase is not necessary to know. Okay? Another example. Did the hunter kill the elephant? Here is a interrogative question. Auxiliary verb is here. Then question mark is here. Okay. How can we change it? Was the elephant killed? Because it is a past simple. And your past simple must be was plus B3 or were plus B3. Here is the elephant is singular. So was. It is correct sentence. Here is the auxiliary verb, another is the interrogative verb. Okay. Next, active. But here, who killed the elephant? Look at this. The elephant was killed by whom or who? But look at here. Here is a full stop. But there is no question mark here. But here is a question mark, interrogative sentence. You have to do in passive interrogative sentence. Okay? Another step 2. Was the elephant killed by whom or who? Here is who is the subject. Object is the elephant. So you can change was the elephant killed by whom or who? Okay. But it is yes no question. But here it is double S question. Look at another. If you have to take by phrase, by whom in front. By whom, then yes no question. Was the elephant killed? Again, by whom was the elephant killed? There is question mark. It is correct sentence. Another is here who. We can use here who. Who was the elephant killed by? Here is by, here is by. But by whom? By whom. Both sentences are acceptable. Okay, any doubt? Look at here. The teacher made us stand up. Here is the subject teacher, made verb, us object. Then you can change we are made to stand up. We are is the past simple. We are made to stand up. Here is to in infinitive here. It is where in infinitive, but change into passive, it will be to in infinitive. What are the verbs, sir? Let, make, help, have, see, hear, watch, notice. Okay? Then, I saw him crossing the road. Here the I is infinitive. But how can you change? Him is object. I subject, saw verb, him is object. Object will be subject. He was seen. But ing infinitive cannot verb be changed here, crossing the road. He was seen crossing the road. But here changing to plus verb, but there is here no changes here. Okay? In another example, there is a subject in passive. There is a temple to paint. In passive, there is a temple to be painted. Here is paint to plus verb, but here to be painted. Okay? Another, your clothes need washing. Here washing. Okay? Unless in passive, your clothes need to be washed. Here is the passive. Okay, another example, you are not to blame. The passive, you are not to blame, to be blamed. You are not to be blamed. To plus verb, another example. Here, passive with the causative verb. That is get and have verb. Okay, look at the example. I had or got a house paint. Its passive form is I had house painted. Here B3 form. It is acceptable. यहाँ ग्रहण योग्य मोर गोटे घर थिला मु कलर कराइली बा रंग कराइली ठीक अछि आई हैव हेयर कट और आई गॉट हेयर कट एथारे कोन हो आई हैव गॉट हेयर कट अर्थात मु निजे नकटी बार्बर द्वारा कराइली अर्थात आई आस्क्ड बार्बर टू कट माय हेयर ओके क्लियर इट इज V3 form is always acceptable okay Marconi invented radio. It is very easy. Radio was invented by Marconi. Then a robot runs the hotel. The hotel is run by a robot. Here is by phrase. Here is by phrase. By phrase here can never be omitted because by Marconi it is a very important person. Important person's name should be written. Then it is inanimate, unexpected thing here. A hotel is run by robot. It can never be omitted. But look at here. Police arrested the thief. The thief was arrested. Here by phrase is not necessary because the agent police is known to all. Police को समस्त जानती से arrest करी पड़ी. ताको ना मेंशन करिया आवश्यकता किछि. Okay, you have already completed this chapter. Now I would like to test you. So that I would like to give one activity for you. Now 7 sentences are for you. Try to answer correctly. If not, please comment. I will help you. Okay. Now I would like to read it. First English dash speak all over the world. The road dash repair when I saw it last year. I like dash leave me alone. Next, his grandfather dash say to have been a landlord. Next, a car will dash buy next year. Cheese dash make from milk. Grapes dash grow in Hyderabad. Okay? Don't worry, try to understand and make down correctly. If not, please comment. I will help you. I will upload another video that is all activities of 10th class book. Okay? Thank you very much for watching this video.